Hello, Wagwan, my amazing foodies. Welcome back to Andine's Kitchen, where flavors come to life. I am your host, Nadine. If it's your first time stopping by, you're so very welcome. Today, we are going on a culinary adventure to the beautiful island called Jamaica. Are you ready for some mouth-watering jerk chicken? I know I am. But before we dig in, please hit the subscribe button. Also, ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our delicious recipes. Let's get started.
So let's prepare the bird. We'll use traditional spice like allspice, Scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme, along with some other amazing ingredients. The full list is in the description below. The jerk chicken is marinating, so let's kick things off by making it. In a blender, I'll combine green onion, Scotch bonnet peppers, ginger, thyme, allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, soy sauce, brown sugar, lime juice, coconut oil, salt, and black pepper, and blend until smooth. Stir in the blender should be fine chopped. Oh wow, you guys, the aroma out of this world. Get your hands in there. Make sure to rub under the skin and inside the cavity. Now it's time to soak up all those incredible flavors. Seal it in a bag or cover the bowl for at least 4 hours, but overnight is best.
24 hours later.
After marinating, it's time to cook. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees or get your grill ready for indirect grilling. I am using the oven today. For about an hour and a half or until internal temperature reaches 165. This looks yummy. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. Serve with rice and peas, festival or a fresh salad. The smell is divine. Taste was like a party in my mouth. Thank you for joining me today in Andine's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your food lovers. If you make this recipe, please tag me on Instagram at Andines for full recipe. Join me at andinesTV.com. Make this recipe today. See you next time for more exciting recipes. Stay spicy.